In this video, we will be discussing tips and tricks for troubleshooting common problems when growing microgreens. Microgreens are a great source of nutrients and can be grown indoors. However, even experienced growers can run into issues. In this video, we will guide you through some of the common issues faced while growing microgreens and provide you with tips on how to handle them. Yellowing leaves are a common issue faced by microgreen growers. One of the reasons for this is the lack of light. Microgreens require a lot of light to grow, and insufficient light can cause the leaves to turn yellow. Another reason could be overwatering or plant disease. To avoid yellowing leaves, ensure that your microgreens get enough light and that you do not overwater them. Leggy microgreens refer to plants with long, thin stems. This usually happens when the plants don't get enough light. To prevent leggy microgreens, ensure that the plants have access to sufficient light. You could also consider placing a fan near them to help strengthen the stems. Mold is another common issue faced by microgreen growers. This could be due to overwatering or a lack of ventilation. To prevent mold, ensure that you do not overwater your plants and that there is adequate ventilation in the growing environment. If you do spot mold, remove the affected plants and dispose of them to prevent further spread. These are some of the common issues faced by microgreen growers and tips on how to handle them. With proper care and attention, you can successfully grow healthy and nutritious microgreens all year round.